I want to show you how to invest strategically using real patterns, all without a crystal ball. Many people only pay attention to prices. I focus on timing because oil, gas, and agricultural markets follow clear cycles. Those who understand this can invest at better prices. Let's start now with oil and gas. Seasonal patterns are especially clear there. Oil often rises in spring and autumn due to driving and hurricane season. Gas reaches its highs in winter and its lows in summer. This creates the perfect rebalancing window, July to October. For example, I buy Tungala, Petrobras, or Equinor cheaply in the summer. With agricultural commodities, the cycle is often reversed. In spring, prices rise due to sowing and weather risks. In summer, during harvest time, they fall, but often rise again in autumn. I take advantage of the harvest season for purchases, for example with Inge Food or Brazil Agro. Shipping is also highly seasonal. Quarter 1 is usually always weak and Quarter 3 very strong. This is due to the global Christmas business and logistics peaks. LNG, tankers, and container ships each perform differently. It's worth taking a closer look here. For example, I like to keep an eye on Dorin, LPG, TORM, or ZIM in Quarter 2. And what about stocks? Sell in May isn't just a saying. There is clear data on this. Take a look at the monthly returns of the DAX and the S&P 500. May to September has historically often been weak, ideal for dividend investors to buy. Cycles are linked to interest rate policy. When interest rates are rising, cash flow stocks and commodities perform well. When interest rates fall, tech and growth stocks make a comeback. Those who combine this with seasonality make much better decisions. If you want to use dividends, cycles, and entry points smartly, subscribe to my channel now and check out my playlist with cash flow strategies. Seasonality doesn't replace fundamental analysis, but it helps to time the market better. I deliberately use these patterns for my rebalancing to optimize cash flow counter-cyclically.